I'm just now leaving out of Vickers Bay. Spent the night there, dropped anchor over there where the anchor spot is, and I'm going to head towards Ken Lake and see if the marina's accessible. I want to top off on fuel. I ran out of propane I was using for backup. A little bit more of a headwind today, obviously, if you can hear it hitting the hull. But here's the bridge before Ken Lake. I'm going to have to slip over to the other side and see if Ken Lake's thawed out or not. Anyway, let me get off this thing and steer this thing. It's kind of giving me some problems with the wind and stuff. Another beautiful day. A little bit windier, so it's a little bit choppier, but I'll take it. It's not that bad. I will get there, wherever there is for now. Currently I'm headed to Ken Lake, which is over there on the other side of that. See if I can get topped off on fuel. But yeah, look at that view. There's the bridge from the other side. Getting ready to go into Ken Lake here and see if they're thawed out enough to get to the fuel dock. Looks like they're doing pretty good over here. I don't see any ice in there. Oh, I spoke too soon. Right there. I don't know if I'll be able to break through that or not. Oh yeah, they're frozen in there. They're just as solid as anybody else. Look at that. And no one has been in or out of that. Just cruising along. Found some little kayak thing or something. I'm gonna go check it out real quick. That's cool. A little sit on top Pelican kayak. Put it up there with the other one. Here we go. That guy, there he is. Down there around the beach riding quads. I see trails all over here along the shore and up the hills and stuff. Everybody's out today, enjoying the good weather. Not all covered in ice and snow, and people are ready to get out of the house. They'll brave the cold for a while, for sure.